Hi there, welcome to TikTok's YouTube channel. So today we are working to format a USB drive using CMD. Do you have a USB drive that you're not able to open it and also you're not able to format that drive? So act professionally and use CMD to format this drive. In order to do this, open CMD and run it as an administrator. So type disk port. The second command is less disk in order to see all the available disks connected to this machine. So the disk with the number 0 is the essential disk that you have for Windows, and the other one with number 1 is the USB drive attached to this computer. And that's the one we want to format today. So in order to select the proper disk, please always make sure you're selecting the proper drive, the one you want to format. So be sure about the number, select disk and the number you want. In my case, number 1. So after that, you have to clean it. Type clean and enter. Wait for the process. Next command is going to be create a new partition. So we are going to do create primary partition in order to bring back the partition to the system. So after that, we have to format this new partition. We write format fs for the file system equals to NTFS. So I'm going with NTFS, but you have still the choices to go with FAT32 or FAT. So after that, you have to wait for the process to get to 100% completed. Now it's on 0 and it requires time to format the drive for you. Actually, it depends to the size of the USB drives you have and you want to format that. Mine is a 15 gigs USB drive, so approximately it takes 10 minutes to 100% format this drive. Okay, 66% now. So we still have to wait for the process to be complete. But before that, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more IT trainings that you need with your daily life. So support us with your subscriptions and with liking this video. So I will be back when the process gets to 100%. All right, now we are with 97% of completion of this process. So we still have a few more percentages to be completed, but please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video if this helped you to fix your USB drive and reformat them. And 2 more percent now. We still have 1 command to complete this process, and we are going to do that after the completion of the format process. Okay, it is now completed 200%, and we have 1 more command to complete this process. So the screen is clean now. In order to make sure we have formatted drive and it is recognized by the system, now we go and we do another less disk, and we see we have this disk available now, and the star sign means we are on that drive. So the next command is assign later equals to whatever letter you like. I would go with S and enter. So I made a mistake there, a typo, letter with the A, so I have to correct that. Assign letter with E equals to S letter, and enter. The process is completed successfully, and now list volumes in order to see the volumes of the drives. So I have this reformatted drive with the S letter with the NTFS file system. So exit, and we are done. I'm gonna close the CMD. Now to directory. There you go, you have the 15 gigs reformatted drive remapped to the Windows. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.